This is a tray that hangs from your hand. It's called the SpillNot Plus, and it makes it easy to carry open beverages without spilling. When we spill beverages that we're walking with, that we're carrying, it's usually because we're speeding them up and slowing them down and applying a lateral force to the side of the cup, which causes the liquid to slosh over the side. When it's on the SpillNot, the SpillNot has a flexible handle. So if I apply a lateral force to the handle, everything swings. The handle cannot translate a lateral force to the cup because it has no shear strength. The only force is in this direction. So when everything swings, if I speed up and slow down the handle, gravity pulls the tray, the cup, and the liquid back to level, and it speeds everything up equally. It accelerates everything together so it doesn't cause the cup to slide off the tray or the liquid to slosh in the cup. The SpillNot makes it easy to carry open beverages, and I don't have to look at the cups to make sure that they stay level. It's okay if they swing around a little bit. Also, not only can I carry it with one hand, but it's easy to change hands. And it doesn't matter the orientation, what the orientation of my hand is while carrying it. The SpillNot can come apart, so it stores efficiently in a small space. It could be in a drawer or on a shelf. It's dishwasher safe, and it's pretty durable. It's easy to put together, easy to take apart, and the physics are actually pretty amazing. So, and I'm going to demonstrate with a plastic cup just with water. So if an accident happens, the glass doesn't break. But you can see that I can swing it all around, and gravity just makes sure that that it doesn't slosh and doesn't spill. So it can be really useful when you need to carry beverages from the kitchen out to a deck or out to a pool, maybe across the house up to a bedroom, carrying tea up to a bedroom or something like that. And also for people that have gripping trouble or are unstable on their feet, it's easy to carry a beverage. They don't have to look at the tray. You can put your attention to walking, the act of walking or grabbing a rail or whatever it is you need to do. Thank you.